Punjabi singer Karan Aujla recently found himself at the center of a major social media buzz, and it all started with a repost. A screenshot of Aujla resharing a video critical of actor Kiara Advani quickly went viral, sparking widespread discussion online. The original video was shared by an Instagram user who described an incident from a flight journey. According to him, he was traveling from Jaipur to Mumbai with his mother and brother in business class. Coincidentally, actors Kiara Advani and Kartik Aaryan were also on the same flight, returning after promoting their film Satyaprem Ki Katha. Instagram user claimed that his mother accidentally sat in Kiara's seat due to confusion. Once an air hostess pointed out the mistake, she immediately moved to the correct seat. However, the user alleged that Kiara reacted with what he described as a disgusted look after realizing that a non-celebrity had briefly occupied her seat. In the same video, Instagrammer also spoke about Kartik Aaryan, describing him as Ajeeb Sa. He claimed that Kartik did not interact much with the airline staff and communicated only with Kiara, and that too in English. Tiwari further alleged that after the flight landed, an air hostess asked the actors for a picture. According to him, they declined, saying they were getting late, and then exited the aircraft. The video was later shared by various social media platforms. Karan Aujla reposted the clip on his own Instagram account. A screenshot of this repost soon went viral, drawing massive attention. Social media users flooded the comments section, reacting with surprise and humor. One user commented, "Lagta hai Karan Aujla Paji ne bhi face kiya hai, that's why he reposted it, love you Paji." Another wrote, "Bhai par Aujla ne repost kyun kiya?" A third comment read, "I know Aujla did repost by mistake." Soon after the buzz, the video disappeared from Karan Aujla's Instagram, suggesting it was removed shortly after being shared. Whether it was accidental or intentional remains unclear, but the internet, as always, had a lot to say. Cricket and cinema collided online this week, and fans absolutely loved it. Afghanistan cricket star Rashid Khan surprised everyone by jumping onto one of Bollywood's most viral trends right now, Border 2. From a quiet roadside corner in Dubai, far away from stadium lights and film sets, Rashid Khan shared a reel that instantly grabbed attention. The T20I captain was seen enjoying roasted corn by the highway, keeping things simple and relaxed. But what made the reel special was the background music and the caption. A song from Border 2 played as Rashid roasted corn over coal. Keeping it light-hearted, he wrote, "Border 2 to main zarur dekhunga, but let's see what happens if I post this." The video was shared from the UAE, where Rashid Khan is currently present during the Afghanistan vs West Indies 2026 series. The casual vibe of the reel, mixed with a Bollywood blockbuster soundtrack, made it instantly relatable and viral. The reel quickly caught the attention of the film's cast. Actor Varun Dhawan responded with a friendly, "Ha bhai." Ahan Shetty also showed his love, commenting, "Lots of love bhai." What really surprised fans was a comment from veteran actor Sunil Shetty, who wrote, "Ye hui na baat." The reactions made it clear Rashid Khan's post had struck the right chord. Rashid Khan isn't the only cricketer supporting Border 2. Indian wicketkeeper batsman KL Rahul also shared a video following the same trend. For Rahul, the support is personal, as his brother-in-law Ahan Shetty plays a key role in the film. With cricketers and actors amplifying the trend organically, Border 2 has gained massive visibility beyond traditional promotions. The film is set to release in theaters on 23rd January, just ahead of Republic Day. It stars Sunny Deol in the lead, alongside Varun Dhawan and Diljit Dosanjh, with Ahan Shetty in an important role. The film is a sequel to the 1997 war classic Border, which starred Sunny Deol, Sunil Shetty and Akshay Khanna and remains one of Hindi cinema's most iconic war films. From cricket fields to corn by the roadside, Border 2 is clearly winning hearts, one reel at a time. Shah Rukh Khan and Salman Khan are one of Bollywood's most talked about pairs. Friends, then not so close, and then friends again, their names together always make big news. This time, they didn't even post anything themselves, yet they still dominated the viral 2016 trend. The moment was sparked by filmmaker Ali Abbas Zafar, who shared a throwback picture from 2016. The photo shows Shah Rukh Khan and Salman Khan hugging warmly. Ali captioned it simply, 2016, Sultan and Reis. The picture was taken before the release of Sultan and around the time Reis was being discussed. Just a simple post, but it instantly caught the attention of fans. As expected, the comments section was full of excitement. Fans were quick to praise the actors' appearances. One wrote, SRK biceps overshadows Bhaijan. Another commented, SRK's bicep and forearm King Khan mocked so-called bodybuilding icon. Fans weren't just admiring the picture, they were hoping for a new film together. One comment said, "We want you back for another heartfelt film with Salman Khan." Another fan asked directly, "Tiger vs Pathan?" Some fans even speculated that something big might be in the works. One wrote, "Is there any planning going on?" Another added, "Please make a comeback with them." And one curious fan jokingly asked, "Sir, are you remaking Heated Rivalry?" What made this moment special is that neither Shah Rukh Khan nor Salman Khan themselves joined the 2016 trend. They didn't post throwback photos or captions, yet the simple post by Ali Abbas Zafar brought them straight into the spotlight. On the work front, Salman Khan is gearing up for his next film. He will be seen in Apurva Lakhia's Battle of Galwan, releasing on 17th April. Fans are already excited to see him in a powerful role once again. Shah Rukh Khan will be seen in Siddharth Anand's upcoming film King. Even without posting themselves, Shah Rukh Khan and Salman Khan once again proved why they are Bollywood's most iconic pair. Fans are hoping their next on-screen collaboration isn't too far away. Aamir Khan is once again making headlines, not for a film this time, but for his personal life. The actor has officially opened up about his relationship with Gauri Spratt, and here's everything you need to know. Aamir Khan made his relationship official with Gauri Spratt in March last year, on his 60th birthday. During an intimate media interaction in Mumbai, Aamir shared that their story goes way back. The two have known each other for over 2 decades before reconnecting. In Aamir's words, "We met accidentally, kept in touch, and it all happened organically." He also revealed that they rekindled their bond around a year and a half ago. Since then, the couple has often been spotted together, making joint appearances at events and walking hand in hand. While Aamir had earlier shared that Gauri is from Bengaluru, a recent report revealed that the couple has now moved in together at a plush new residence in Mumbai. This is happening right in the middle of my production Happy Patel being released, so it's madness. Aamir made it clear that the relationship is serious and strong, but marriage isn't an immediate plan. He shared honestly, Gauri and I are really serious about each other and we are in a very committed space. And we are, we are partners. We are together. Marriage is something, in my heart, I'm already married to her. So whether we formalize it or not is something that, I will decide as we go along. Gauri, who is a mother to a 6-year-old son, had earlier said she was looking for someone gentle and intelligent, qualities she found in Aamir. She is now also professionally associated with Aamir's production house, bringing their personal and work lives even closer. Aamir has been married twice before. He married Reena Datta in 1986 and they have 2 children, Ira Khan and Junaid Khan. The couple separated in 2002. In 2005, he married filmmaker Kiran Rao. They share a son, Azad, born via surrogacy, and announced their separation in 2021. Despite everything, Aamir continues to share warm and respectful relationships with both his ex-wives. With honesty, maturity, and clarity, Aamir Khan seems to be embracing a new chapter on his own terms.